She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm one. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm one. I'm a dog, I'm one. I can smoke already so hard in my blood, yeah. I see fast, pretty fading, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a money. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a money. I'm a dog, I'm a money. No crib talk come through, it's time to break it in. 32 black on pants size, cause I'm trying to break it in. New condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it, yeah. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? Take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a
Good morning, guys. So everything that go wrong from morning. I mean go wrong, because I'm always, since I get my iPhone, I've been recording on my iPhone. By this morning, storage full. So I've been trying to delete a lot of pictures and videos to get back storage. And then that work out. I'm no longer chancy. So I'm going back to my Samsung. But the problem is, I've got to transfer a lot of videos from this to that. So I started to get ready with me on my phone, but it never complete. So I might show snapses of that and then move on into the weeks. So I'm going to go road for a drive. So yeah. You do ear? Poor dear. So guys, I am home. I did not get to vlog a lot today because boy, me say the little meeting we have in the morning literally make me feel nervous, my dear. For Spanish duty, I'm not ready for Spanish. So I have a lot of assignments. One due next week Monday, we got told the course things and practicum stuff, a whole bag of things, and it's a lot. So I just have to take it one step at a time and say, girl, you got this. Yeah, you got this. So guys, me see you tomorrow. Even though today the first day, me never get no footage. Hopefully I can try tomorrow. Me have lab. I don't know, me can't video no in a lab, but I'll see what I can do. So I'll see you guys. So guys, with our school, last first day. It's not a lot. I always second day.
But you know, yeah.
We have lab.
And last first semester.
I am striped. This guys, my fourth stripe. Yeah, you're a bleach out uniform at this point. Anyway, guys, me catching up. Guys, it's Wednesday and I don't have no school. As you know, it's election day. So I'm not no school. So as I was saying, I wasn't scheduled to have class today, but today's election day. I went out. I executed my one right because I'm not under this again. So what I'm gonna do today is tackle some schoolwork. So I have one presentation due Monday and an introduction for research paper due Tuesday. So I am going to try start the research introduction thing, but first I'm trying to set up the link so the group members can get access to the PowerPoint for PEDS for put on the information. So I'm going to show you. So that's the heading or the cover page. So I just going to finish and then we have the objectives so then we can get to add them information to it. So this is from third year what we started on our lecture reviewed. So guys are full and awful. So the title, the research question, research aim and objective was good. So we are now to look over our introduction that we had to basically see if we have all the components of the introduction there. So that's what I am going over for the background part of the introduction. And so yeah, that's basically what I am doing. Can you believe I recorded this video twice? Because I was looking at the viewfinder and not the lens. I wasn't looking there. And I'm still looking over there. And two is, I need to get used to looking here. So yesterday was Thursday. I did not have any class yesterday. However, I had class yesterday. Oh my god, my brain. I had class yesterday at half day and then self-directed learning in the evening. But I did not get to vlog anything at all. So today's Friday, no class today. I have a lot on my agenda on my to-do list. I have a group meeting for my research project. I have a PowerPoint presentation to complete for my PEDS presentation on Monday, and I have notes for PEDS to write. So it's going to be a lot today, and I'm praying I can cover things today, tomorrow evening and Sunday, so I can be up to date by Monday on everything. And yeah, so I just want to start my semester off on these files on a good basis where I maintain my notes taking, because previous semester I'll start the notes and I'll just stop. I'll just literally use the textbook and the slides and no notes. But I think it's good for me to start making more notes. So that's what I want to do. So I'll catch you guys later because it's full awful. What was this again? So health promotion and I feel pain. Maintenance of a preschooler as it relates to their 805 physical, emotional, and cognitive development. Am I the only one that uses the textbook and then my phone is plugged in and then ChatGPT? I write notes. Can't maybe the only one. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So guys, basically we're basically at the end of this week's video. So this is just my first week of my senior year of nursing school. I hope you guys like the video. Comment videos that you want to see, and remember to subscribe. Your girl is on the road to 1K, y'all. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.